Okay, if you're watching this video, you may have come here to learn how to clean door jambs. They can be fun. They can be tricky. These really ain't too bad just yet. So you're gonna want a microfiber, of course. And I'm using bull snot polishable. So what you're gonna wanna do, I typically do one side at a time. I'll get all of this sprayed on complete side. Now there is a good coating of the foam. It should help lift dirt and residue. You just want to do the whole door and all in between. You're going to want to take your microfiber and get to wiping. I let this sit for probably 15 seconds, I would say. You'll want to start at the top, work your way down. And if you saw the video where we cleaned the carpets and the seats, it's coming out pretty good. We're getting that done. I decided to do 2 videos with this. Fairly simple task. Some people may use spray detailer, a spray bottle. You could use water in a spray bottle. Some people use a garden hose. It really just varies what you're comfortable with, what you're going to be doing. Just be sure to get it all cleaned. There we go. As well as the jam on the door. And here you have it. Door jam's clean. The process for any and all doors, trunk, hatches, whatever. This one's really bad. Okay, we got the door jambs completely done. It's actually a good thing to use your phone whenever you're doing these. That way you have kind of a image of what you cannot see. Another good thing to remember whenever you're doing door panels is to go ahead and knock out the fuel door. Get it all sprayed down. Get it wiped. That way now, all that you have whenever you do complete the inside is the exterior wash in the engine bay. There you have it. The door jambs are done, all of them. What's the next step?